The Vault of Endless Dusk. They said the sun never rose in the valley, deep beneath the roots of the world, hidden in a forest lost to time, lay the entrance, an erect gate of obsidian and bone carved into a hill that pulsed faintly with breathless heat. Those who ventured near swore the air grew still, as if the sky above held its breath. Callan had heard the legends since he was a boy. The Valley of Endless Dusk, a forgotten chamber where time itself stood on edge, suspended in an eternal twilight. It was said to hold the last echoes of a dying god's dream, a dream so potent it could reshape the waking world. He had not believed them until the map turned up. It was hidden in the binding of an ancient tome his grandmother had left him, inked in a script that shimmered under moonlight and shifted under fire. The map led here to the heart of the elderwood, where the trees grew so tall they swallowed the stars. Inside the vault, Callan found no gold, no weapon, no altar. Instead, he found silence, rich and deep, like velvet drawn over the soul. The air glowed with a permanent dusk, neither night nor day. The shadows, long and soft, never quite reaching full black. Time faded at the edges. His breath seemed slow, like it took minutes to exhale. At the center was the dreamstone, a pulsating shard hovering above a pedestal of petrified roots. As he stepped closer, voices shrugged in his mind, memories not his own, futures that had not yet come, choices he had never made. The valley, he realized, was not a place to take from, but to become part of. He could leave, return to the world, share its secret, but the dusk whispered otherwise. Here, pain dulled, regret faded. Here, one could rewrite. Callan sat beneath the dreamstone, eyes half lidded, and let the twilight fill him. Outside, the valet said shut. The hill grew still once more, and the sun did not rise.